I observed it for a couple of minutes, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, to check if itong hotspot icon niya, yung light, green light na to, is stable. Usually, nagre-red siya. So, that means wala siyang internet connection. So, yun. After that, I tried connecting to my device, to my phone, and yun, naka-connect na siya, may internet connection na siya kasi before I Alright, so, hi everybody. In this video, I'll be sharing with you kung paano ko na-solve yung problem ko na wala siyang internet connection even after I've configured this router. Actually, I've already configured this, and then right now, okay na siya, may internet connection na siya. As you can see, yung power light niya, naka-blue, yung wifi light niya, naka-blue din, and ito yung hotspot icon niya, naka-green na siya. So this means it has already a connection. But earlier this evening, when I tried to configure this, yung hotspot na icon niya is naka-red. So, technically speaking, it means na wala siyang internet connection. So, ano nga ba yung posibleng dahilan at paano ko siya na-solve? Actually, I got frustrated and I was thinking of returning this product to the seller kasi napakamahal niya. I've intentionally selected this kasi this product can be used as a router or repeater. Repeater. So, yun. And then, it's really frustrating kasi ang mahal nito. I bought this for around 1,547 yung nabayaran ko, like all in all, including the merchandise protection, yung parang sa insurance, and so napakamahal nito, and if it's not working, napaka-frustrating niya talaga. So, ano nga ba yung nangyari? I've already configured it, and then I tried connecting 3 phones actually. Tatlong phone yung ginamit ko kasi baka sa isang phone lang may problem. So, I tried with a different phone. I reconfigured it using the different phone. I tried configuring it again. So, press ko yung reset button, and then I did the same process na nakalakip dito sa manual. Wala pa din internet connection. But I can see sa I can see sa setup wizard management nila na na-setup ko naman properly yung router. Pero bakit nga pa wala siyang internet connection? So, the first thing that I did was I sent a message to the seller. Unfortunately, hindi siya nag-reply agad. So, probably marami siyang customers na in-entertain. And also, it's Holy Saturday. So, I was thinking na baka nag-holiday din sila. That is why walang mag-respond sa akin. But while waiting for the response from the seller, I also tried to check, I tried to watch some videos, but so far, wala akong nakitang video na makakasolve sa problem. So, ano pa ba yung ginawa ko? I tried asking questions from the AI, like ChatGPT. So, I followed the instructions from ChatGPT, wala pa din. So, ano nga ba yung problema? First, bumalik ako sa page ng seller sa online shop, and then tinignan ko yung picture ng product. And then from that picture itself, I realized what's wrong. Kasi sa picture, I'll try to insert it in this video. So, sa picture, nakalakip dun yung mga SIM cards na pwede niya. The good thing about this router is actually it's open line. Marami siyang pwedeng magagamitan na SIM cards. So, yeah. So, again, going back, dun pa lang sa picture ng product, nakita ko yung mga SIM cards na pwedeng gamitin dito sa router. Na ano nga ba yung SIM card na ginamit ko? Actually, ginamit ko is TM. So, I made sure na may load siya bago ko siya gamitin. And buti na lang hindi ako nag-add ng more data kasi masasayang lang yung pera ko. So, there, going back, walang TM na nakalagay dun sa picture ng product. Kaya I realized na I'll try to really check if there's nothing wrong with this router. I borrowed a D2 SIM card, and then I nag-load ako dun sa dito na SIM card, and na-check talaga na na-receive sa phone. Na-receive yung confirmation message from D2 na may data na siya and all. Bago ko siya tinanggal sa phone at bago ko siya in-insert dito sa router. And when I inserted it, thankfully, naka-connect na siya sa internet. I didn't do anything at all kasi again, this router had already been configured. So, right after inserting the D2 SIM in this SIM slot, you just have to, again, you just have to make sure that you've inserted the SIM card properly. Hindi nano SIM card yung gagamitin natin, yung malaking SIM card talaga, yung regular type of SIM card na usual na ginagamit natin 10 years ago. So, yun, in-insert natin siya. You have to make sure din na you've properly inserted the SIM card and you heard the click sound. So, when you've heard the click sound, then that means it had been inserted correctly. So, yun, upon inserting it, I observed it for a couple of minutes, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, to check if itong hotspot icon niya, yung green light na to, is stable. Kasi when I use the TM SIM card, occasionally nagre-red siya. So that means wala siyang internet connection. But when I use the D2 SIM card, stable yung green light niya. Yung steady yung green light niya. So this means na wala siyang problema. And it is getting a very nice signal. So yun, after that, I tried connecting to my device, to my phone, and yun, nakakonect na siya, may internet connection na siya kasi before I use the D2 SIM card, itong Wi-Fi na, how can I say it, Wi-Fi na icon na makikita natin sa phone, may exclamation point siya. So that means wala talagang internet connection. But again, right after I used the D2 SIM card, yun, may connection na siya. I've tried to check the speed, napakalakas po ng speed niya. So yun, I hope you learned something from this video and I really appreciate you for watching. Thank you so much!